Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. So in today's video, I have a super exciting haul for you guys. I feel like all of my hauls are super exciting because I finally get to use my stuff. If you don't know this about me, I have piles of stuff in my room that I need to show you, and they're all like for different videos, for different hauls. I just get really excited when I can finally get to use the stuff that I buy because I always save it to do a haul first. So in today's video, I actually got this stuff only a couple days ago, so I don't know why I'm complaining, but I got all of this stuff from Romwe. And if you guys are familiar with Romwe, or if you're not familiar with Romwe, it's a really awesome place to go shopping online. You can get a lot of really cool gifts for people, as well as a lot of cool gifts for yourself. Everything is trying to fall off of my lap right now. But in this video, it's going to be accessories from Romwe that I picked up. These are all Christmas / the holidays themed accessories that they have. They have just really cute earrings, and I feel like if you were to order right now, like right when I'm putting this video up, you can still get whatever it is you're getting before Christmas, because shipping only takes about 2 weeks, and I think we're 2 weeks away from Christmas. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to show you guys all of the stuff I picked up from Romwe. I will mention a lot of these things actually say Shein on the packaging, because you can actually get this on Shein as well. It's definitely your personal preference. Romwe is cheaper if you're looking for earrings and stuff like that. It's cheaper to get all of this stuff on Romwe, but you can get it on Shein. It's just like double the price. So why would you want to do that? I'm going to be trying everything on for you guys and all of that stuff. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload every single day of December until the 25th. I'm also having a giveaway on my channel, so make sure you guys check that out. I will also leave that in the pinned comment below. Let's go ahead and get started on showing you guys these accessories, because there is quite a bit. So I'm gonna get started off with my toque first, / beanie, whatever you guys want to call these. I call them toques because I live in Canada and that's what we call them. So I got this black toque, and it has a little rain cloud with rain coming out of it. I just thought this was really cute. So this is gonna be good for, I'm not gonna put it on just yet until the try on portion of this video, because I'm gonna completely mess up my hair if I do that. But this is what this looks like. I think this was under $4. So if you guys are looking for really cute toques, beanies, whatever you want to call them, Romwe has a ton of these in different colors, different designs, and all of that stuff. And these are all embroidered, which is awesome. Like, it's really well done for $4 in my opinion. So that's what that one looks like. That is the first thing that I picked up. The next thing, I'm gonna get into the earrings / jewelry portion. This is all earrings and jewelry because these are all accessories. So the first ones I'm actually wearing right now, and these are little cookie earrings. These are gingerbread stars. These are like the longest pair of earrings that I got, so that's what they look like. I took these out already because I wore them yesterday when I went to see the Christmas lights. So let's go ahead and get started on the next pair of earrings. These ones actually say Romwe on the packaging. So these are just so cute. So these are toque earrings. I looked at these and I was like, these are just so cute. They come in so many different colors. You can get red, you can get purple, you can get green, any type of color you want. I picked the baby blue, and they're little toques. How adorable is that? They are actually really well done for earrings. Like, these look like they're handmade almost. So those are what they look like. And I will leave all of the links and all of that good stuff in the description box below if you guys want to buy these for yourself. I also got these bow earrings. So these are like the gift bows that you would put on any Christmas gifts. These are a lot bigger than I thought they would be. They are just bow studs. And I just feel like yeah, they're a lot bigger in person than I thought they would be online looking at them, but they are really, really cute and they're still something that I would wear. So that's what they look like. I just got gold as well as red. I also got a dangly pair in red. So I thought that these were studs as well, but they are kind of dangly. They're not that dangly, but they are like that type of earring. I like these better than studs, to be honest with you. I don't think studs are that comfortable on my ears, especially the big ones. So I'm really hoping that those bows are light enough to where they don't hurt my ears or anything, but I prefer these like hook ones, these hook earrings. I also got a pin for one of my jackets, and this one is hot cocoa. That's what that looks like. Shein has a lot of really cute pins. If you guys are into pins, you're looking at that trend. I just really like putting these on denim jackets or that type of thing, or maybe like flannel. Maybe I should try doing that with this pin because I don't really wear a lot of denim jackets in the winter. It's just way too cold. So I think that if I wore like a flannel shirt or something, that this would look really cute on the collar. So it's just hot cocoa with a gingerbread man and a graham cracker. That's so cute. So that's that. Their pins are super inexpensive too. All of this stuff is inexpensive, but their pins I think are like less than $1. So the next pair of earrings is a candy cane pair of earrings, and these sold out so fast. I don't remember what the cost of these were. Oh, they're so pretty. So they're like gold, green and red candy canes. I can't wait to do the try on portion of this video. I know you guys are seeing it as we go along, but I haven't tried any of this stuff yet as I'm showing it to you. So yeah, these candy canes are so adorable. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I can see why they sold out really fast. So the next pair of earrings are these little gingerbread men. So they are very similar to the earrings that I'm wearing. Instead of the cookie star, these are gingerbread men. So they actually look like a real gingerbread cookie. So yeah, these are so cute. These next pair are another pair of cookie earrings. I don't know, I was just obsessed with these when I saw them online. I'm like, those are so cute and I could wear them to work or whatever. I should really start wearing earrings to work. I know I said that in my previous Romwe haul video, but I really should start. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So these are just gingerbread Christmas trees. For Vlogmas, most years I do a gingerbread challenge where I build gingerbread houses with Andy, or last year I did one with Nikita. So this year, hopefully we'll find a gingerbread house building set. I haven't seen them around lately, but I want to make more gingerbread houses. Yeah, gingerbread is... Making gingerbread houses and gingerbread cookies are probably one of my favorite Christmas time / winter activities. So yeah, these just remind me of building gingerbread houses for some reason. These are so cute. The next thing is a hair clip, and this was only 66 cents, you guys. It was so cheap. It was part of one of their flash sales on Romwe. They had a flash sale almost like every day leading up to Black Friday. I think they're still happening actually. If you go on their website, they start at like 3 in the morning and go until 3 in the morning the next day. So yeah, this was definitely really cheap. So it looks like this. It's just one of those like branches. I don't know. I think that's what it's supposed to be anyways. I don't think it's like a reindeer horn or anything. I think it's actually one of those tree branches. But yeah, that's really, really cute. I wish I had gotten more. I only got one. But yeah, this is a really, really cute hair clip. I've been obsessed with these hair clips lately, like all year. They just bring me back to my childhood and I love them. And yeah, so that's what that looks like. I'm not a huge fan of the bobby pin ones like these. I really like the way they look, don't get me wrong, but they get caught in my hair all the time. Okay, so we're down to our last two items already. I feel like this haul went so fast. So the next things are these two sets. So we're gonna get started. Actually, I'll show you guys this one first. So it is a necklace and earring set. So I kept seeing sets like these on Instagram. Different jewelry boutiques and stuff were carrying similar sets to these, like the heart pendant with the heart earrings, and they were so expensive. Like I saw one on Instagram for like $60. You know, of course they were claiming to be Swarovski crystal and all of that stuff, and I'm sure this one is definitely not Swarovski crystal, but it does look really real for, you know, such a cheap piece. I think the set was like $5 at most, maybe less than $5. But that is the necklace it came with. It reminds me of like the Titanic heart, but in red. So yeah, it's really cute. I feel like this is definitely like a Christmas or like Valentine's Day piece. But yeah, for such cheap jewelry, and it's so light too, it's so lightweight, it does look real because it's so shiny, and I don't know, I really like it. What do you guys think? That is a necklace. And then the heart-shaped earrings look like this. They look exactly like the necklace. The set is just so cute. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to wear these like out on a date or something. I think those would be perfect. And then the very last thing in this haul is another set, and this one is a silver one, and it's Snowflake. So again, this one is just really, I really like the chain on this. It's really well made, but it's the type of chain that I feel like my hair is just gonna get caught in. But it is a really nice chain. Again, it does look real for what it is, for such a cheap piece of jewelry. It's really lightweight, but if you look at it in person too, it's just so shiny, and the chain looks really well made. It's really thick, it's really nice. So that is the Snowflake necklace. I just really like snowflake pieces of jewelry. Eventually I want a snowflake tattoo somewhere because I just like how intricate snowflakes are. I think they're really cute. And then the studs that came along with it, these I actually thought would be smaller as well. I don't know why I always think pieces on Romwe are just gonna be small and tiny, but these are pretty big for studs. So that is the last thing I got from this accessory haul. Like I said, I will leave all links in the description box below, and I'll remind you guys that in the pinned comment. I might leave it in the pinned comment as well. But yeah, these are such great jewelry items. There's such a great deal on these pieces, and yeah, I can't complain. I loved everything. I love Romwe jewelry, shein jewelry, whatever you want to call it, because I know a lot of these things say they're from shein. These would make really good gift ideas if you're trying to figure out what to buy for somebody and they really like earrings and that type of thing. Jewelry, these are really great pieces. They're very inexpensive, and they actually are really great quality. They're really good. I've never had an issue with Romwe jewelry. My older pieces are from like last year, I think, and I got most of them from Shein. But as I mentioned earlier, if you guys find these pieces on Shein, look for them on Romwe. You'll find them for cheaper. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and film the try on portion for these earrings and everything, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I'm uploading every day until the 25th of December, and if you guys have not entered my giveaway yet, make sure you go ahead and do that. I will leave that in the pinned comment, as well as all of the links for all these items will be in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Bye!